Hello family, welcome to Ready Kit Foods, a channel of delicacies and traditional foods. So thank you for tuning in. Please make sure you subscribe. Otherwise, today I'm back with this video. I want to prepare some egg beef balls. So let's do it together. These are the ingredients that I have. I have some sausages here and I have some boiled eggs here. I have all-purpose flour, I have breadcrumbs, I have turmeric, I have this coriander, spring onions, and red onions. So keep tuned and see what I'm going to do. I'll start by removing this to make sure that because what I need is just the beef inside. By the way, this is a big sausage, so I'm going to do away with this. So I'll remove this first. After removing that plastic, I've just chopped them. I've just chopped everything and I'm going to blend them. Everything in here, so keep tuned, guys. This is, since it is salty, I don't need to put salt. So what I'm going to do, I'll add this red onions, I'll add this spring onions, and I'll add and turmeric. Then now I'll mix up everything together. This meal, this mini sandwich is very, very nice. So you don't need to add salt, guys, because already it's salty. So preferably you can also use minced beef. So guys, this is it. So what I'm going to do, I'll add just a little bit of breadcrumbs so that it can be compact together. Of this of breadcrumb. And guys, when you mix it, make sure you press well. So now look at how it looks like. So keep tuned, guys. Here and my flour. So what I'm going to do, I'll just have this, my egg. I'll make ball like shape. I'll keep it aside. Another one. balls, the beef egg balls. So next, I'm going to beat my raw eggs here. So, crumb. I'll have some here. So what I'll do, I'll take one like this. Make sure I roll it to the egg, then back to the crumbs. Make sure you wrap it with the breadcrumbs. So guys, meanwhile my oil is just boiling up, ready for this. So you have to have hot oil. The same way. So guys, if you like, you can use all-purpose flour, and I add that ingredient here, but I've preferred not to use it because I don't want too much starch. Marinated with the breadcrumbs. So I'm just going to start by this, so keep tuned. So I will place them one by one. So my pan is not that deep, so the oil is supposed to cover everything, but it can still do, so keep tuned. You can see them, so I'm just going to remove some. You can look at them now. I'm just going to try one.